In this video, we are going to practice outlining with Roman numerals. So we are going to be completing a reading called Ancient American Civilizations. Now, the first thing that I know from the reading is that there is one paragraph, two, three. There are four paragraphs here. And so what I'm going to do is outline things based on the paragraphs. So Ancient American Civilizations, that is going to be one. And then when I go to the Maya, that's going to be 2. When I go to the Aztec, they're going to be 3. The Inca are going to be 4. Okay, so we figured that out. So now what we need to do is we need to read each section. So I'm going to do the first one for you. So Ancient American Civilizations. The earliest farming societies in the Americas began in Mesoamerica. It is underlined, so that's probably important. Mesoamerica is Middle and South America. Mesoamerica includes southern Mexico and the northern Central America. People in this region learned to breed and grow wild plants to create food crops. This process of breeding plants or animals to meet human needs is called domestication. And domestication is underlined, so chances are that's important. The domestication of corn, beans, and peppers. So we know it's the process of breeding plants or animals, like corn, beans, and peppers, allowed many Native American groups to settle in villages. This led to a rise of larger and more complex societies. So we've got this idea of complex societies. So I've just read my section. Now I need to actually outline it. So for this, I'm going to go to my paper and I'm going to start with 1. And I'm going to say Ancient American Civilizations. And I'll just put civ for civilizations. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, fact A, is Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica. And I know that Mesoamerica is important. And what is Mesoamerica? Middle and South America. We know that that is what Mesoamerica actually is defined as. We also know what's very important is domestication. So, what is domestication? It is breeding or growing animals and plants. We also know subsection, so a subsection would actually start this all over again. So it would be a lowercase I, because that would be an uppercase I. So what did they actually grow? So it would be corn, beans, pepper. Now it's not in the reading, but I'll add it since we're talking about things. They would grow turkeys. That would be the animals that they would breed. Turkeys, it would also be rabbits. Okay, the next thing that we have is we have this complex society. So that's going to be C. So for C, we are going to say, sorry, it's not C. It's actually part of domestication. So 1 would be breeding. Next thing would be 2. And so we would say food equals complex societies. All right, so we're good with that. Have a great day.